heart of every city home, the kitchen is more than a place for cooking. It's a social hub, a creative corner, and a reflection of one's lifestyle. But in compact urban apartments, where every square meter matters, designing a kitchen that feels both stylish and functional can be a challenge. The modern minimalist kitchen offers the perfect solution. This design philosophy embraces simplicity, efficiency, and elegance. It strips away the unnecessary while emphasizing clean lines, smart organization, and thoughtful use of space. A minimalist kitchen for small urban homes isn't about having less, it's about making more out of less. Here's how to create a modern minimalist kitchen that feels open, sophisticated, and perfectly suited for compact city living. 1. The essence of modern minimalism in urban kitchens. At its core, modern minimalism is guided by one principle: form follows function. In small urban kitchens, this means every element should have a purpose, and every design choice must enhance usability. Clutter-free countertops, integrated storage, and seamless surfaces define the style. Minimalism also brings calmness to the chaos of city life, offering a refreshing sense of order and serenity. Instead of over-decorating, focus on the essentials: high-quality materials, efficient layouts, and subtle beauty in details. The result is a kitchen that feels spacious, even when space is limited. 2. Compact layouts that maximize flow. The first step in designing a small urban kitchen is choosing a layout that optimizes movement and function. Galley kitchens are ideal for narrow apartments. 2 parallel counters provide efficient access to all areas. L-shaped layouts work well for corner spaces, maximizing countertop area and creating a natural cooking triangle. Single-wall kitchens fit studio apartments perfectly, maintaining an open and airy feel. 4 open-plan living areas. A kitchen island or peninsula can double as a prep zone, dining table, or social bar. The goal is seamless flow, whether you're cooking, cleaning, or entertaining. Every element should feel intuitive and accessible. 3. Streamlined cabinetry and hidden storage. In minimalist design, storage is the silent hero. The more concealed your storage, the cleaner and more spacious your kitchen will look. Opt for handleless cabinets with push-to-open systems or sleek recessed grips to achieve a smooth, modern facade. Floor-to-ceiling cabinets not only maximize vertical space, but also create a unified, uncluttered appearance. In small kitchens, smart solutions make a huge difference. Pull-out pantry drawers keep dry goods organized. Hidden bins maintain cleanliness. Built-in shelving utilizes awkward corners. Under-sink storage hides cleaning supplies elegantly. By eliminating visual noise, your kitchen remains calm, functional, and effortlessly chic. 4. Neutral color palette for an airy feel. Color plays a crucial role in defining the visual spaciousness of a kitchen. The modern minimalist palette thrives on neutrals: soft whites, warm grays, beige, or light taupe. These tones reflect light and create a sense of openness. To prevent monotony, introduce contrast subtly. Black fixtures, charcoal countertops, or darker lower cabinets can anchor the space. For warmth, add natural wood tones. Light oak or walnut finishes balance the cool minimalism with organic charm. Matte finishes enhance sophistication, while glossy surfaces bounce light around small areas, making them feel more expansive. 5. Smart use of lighting. Lighting transforms how a small kitchen feels. With limited natural light in urban apartments, it's essential to layer your lighting thoughtfully. Ambient lighting sets the overall tone. Recessed LED panels or track lights ensure even brightness. Task lighting under cabinets or above counters helps during food prep. Accent lighting, such as pendant lamps or LED strips beneath floating shelves, adds personality and dimension. Warm white tones, around 3000 K, create coziness, while cool white lighting brings a crisp, modern edge. In minimalist kitchens, lighting is more than illumination. It's a design feature that highlights the architecture and materials of the space. 6. Sleek materials for modern character. Minimalism thrives on material integrity. For a modern urban kitchen, choose surfaces that blend aesthetics with practicality. Quartz or solid surface countertops offer a seamless, luxurious look while being durable and easy to maintain. Matte cabinetry finishes hide fingerprints and create a calm, contemporary vibe. Glass backsplashes or large format tiles provide visual depth without overwhelming the space. Stainless steel appliances add an industrial modern edge while reflecting light subtly. Consistency is key. Limit the palette to 2 or 3 materials and repeat them throughout the design for harmony and cohesion. 7. Integrated appliances and multifunctional features. Modern small kitchens thrive on integration and efficiency. Built-in appliances, like wall ovens, induction cooktops, and under-counter fridges, maintain visual continuity and free up counter space. For ultra-compact spaces, multifunctional elements are game changers. A foldable countertop that doubles as a dining bar. Appliances that combine microwave and convection oven functions. Retractable range hoods or slide-away cabinet doors. Minimalism is about creating smart flexibility. Every item should serve multiple purposes without cluttering the environment. 8. Minimalist decor with purpose. A modern minimalist kitchen doesn't need much decor. Its beauty lies in simplicity. Still, a few well-chosen details can personalize the space without compromising its clean look. Consider adding a small potted plant or fresh herbs for a touch of life. A single piece of framed art or geometric print. Open shelving displaying monochromatic ceramics or glassware. Keep surfaces mostly clear. Decor should accentuate, not dominate. The more breathing room you give your design, the more luxurious and intentional it feels. 9. Reflective and transparent elements. In small urban kitchens, optical illusions can make a world of difference. Incorporate reflective materials like glass, stainless steel, or mirrored backsplashes to create visual depth. Glass cabinet doors, transparent pendant lights, or polished metal stools allow light to travel freely, minimizing visual boundaries. Even small touches, like chrome handles or metallic trim, can enhance brightness and modern appeal without overwhelming the minimalist vibe. 10. Maintain clean lines and visual balance. One of the defining traits of modern minimalism is clarity of line and form. Keep your kitchen design visually organized. Align cabinets, maintain symmetry, and choose linear hardware or fixtures. Avoid excessive decoration or ornate patterns. Instead, let geometric structure and proportion create interest. Straight lines, right angles, and flat planes define the contemporary look, while subtle curves, like rounded island corners or soft-edged stools, add comfort and approachability. Balance is everything. It ensures that the space feels cohesive rather than rigid. 11. Infuse warmth and personality. Minimalism doesn't mean cold or sterile. To make your small kitchen feel inviting, incorporate natural and personal elements thoughtfully.